Manufacturing companies in mature markets are often facing a situation of shrinking margins and rising costs. A typical answer to this is product innovation and more product variety. But with that, we have a more complex mass production plan, and there will be a rising number of stock keeping units and also more work in process within your factory. This consumes a lot of precious space and it kills your flexibility. To sum it all up, there will be a lot of waste within your value stream. A good example of this is the automotive industry in the late 1970s in the Western economies. They were exactly experiencing this kind of development. And a good solution that comes from that time is to install the Kanban concept. Kanban is an inventory control system that establishes an upper limit of the work in process. It's avoiding overloading your manufacturing system. Kanban also became an effective tool to support running a production system as a whole, and an excellent way to promote improvement. So what is the core concept of Kanban? Within a Kanban system, the material is being pulled through the manufacturing process. There's no central production planning anymore responsible for pushing the material flow based on demand forecasts. What are the advantages of this kind of approach? Material will be moved only when it's needed. You're gonna have less inventory, your work in process inventory. There will be less space needed. You don't need your central planning anymore for the SKUs that are controlled by Kanban. And you have lower costs, more flexibility, and at the end, a shorter throughput time. So how does a Kanban system work? Kanban is part of an approach where the pull comes from demand, and resupply or production is determined according to the actual demand of the customer. Kanban maintains inventory levels. That means that it's working with small inventories near the customer, for example at a production cell. A signal is sent to the source to pick and deliver a new shipment as material is consumed. During the replenishment cycle, the customer can still take material from the remaining Kanban inventory. Kanban signals are tracked through the replenishment cycle and bring extraordinary visibility to suppliers and customers. So Kanban is a kind of autonomous operating closed loop system.